Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates. Examples of the evidence of climate change are global temperature rise, warming of oceans, shrinking ice sheets, glacial retreat, decreased snow cover, rise of sea level, and extreme weather events. Climate change poses a lot of social and ethical issues, some that we will talk about today. The social issue of climate change is not caused by the rapid environmental decline, but by the skeptics who deny its occurrence. If we do not recognize a problem, we cannot make changes to resolve it. This is why the denial of climate change puts us in danger of continuing our catastrophic behavior. Climate change can lead to serious issues like food scarcity, water insecurity, extreme weather, and the displacement of people if we continue to diminish its existence.
My message is that we'll be watching you. This is all wrong. I shouldn't be up here. I should be back in school on the other side of the ocean. Yet you all come to us young people for hope. How dare you? You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words, and yet I'm one of the lucky ones. People are suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you? 30 years, the science has been crystal clear. How dare you continue to look away and come here saying that you're doing enough when the politics and solutions needed are still nowhere in sight? You say you hear us and that you understand the urgency. But no matter how sad and angry I am, I do not want to believe that. Because if you really understood the situation and still kept on failing to act, then you would be evil, and that I refuse to believe.
In order to overcome this social issue, we need to make a change, and that begins with education. Those who deny science and the evidence of climate change can be persuaded with the help of media. By becoming educated and viewing videos of the effects of climate change, we can change the viewers' opinions. Focused videos of climate change in relation to the environment we know are more effective at creating change and inspiring accountability among deniers. By inspiring a realization, we can inspire a change in their actions. Ethically, we have an obligation to maintain and care for our environment for future generations to come. But the destruction of our ecosystems threaten this. A temperature change as little as a 2 degrees Celsius rise not only puts 25 to 30% of wildlife at risk for extinction, but creates food and water scarcity. This, combined with the destruction of natural ecosystems like forests and the pollution we emit into the atmosphere, put us at a great risk. In order to overcome this ethical issue, we need to start initiatives on a global scale. A collective effort to reduce emissions and preserve ecosystems that naturally accumulate the harmful gases that we release into the environment is the answer. We need to create and incentivize projects like the Great Green Wall Project to inspire change. The goal of the Great Green Wall Project is to plant over 4,000 miles of trees in order to restore agricultural land that has the potential to absorb 250 million metric tons of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. The solution to this ethical issue isn't just on a global scale. There are things that we can do at home to make a difference too. There are small-scale actions we can take to do our part, like using renewable energy, using an electric car, using a bike, or taking public transportation. Small steps like this won't completely solve the issue, but any step to reduce our pollution or emissions is a step in the right direction.
Now that we know some of the world's issues and solutions that can be done about climate change, what can Monmouth University students do to get involved? Well, Dr. Catherine Duckett from Monmouth University has some helpful information for all of us if we want to get involved.
sells $400,000 worth of electrical energy back to the grid in New Jersey.
Wow.
So we're pretty good at using clean electricity. I do not know how the dormitories are heated, and certainly there's a ton of food waste. We could contribute less to emissions by composting more food waste. And by composting, I think they probably compost leaves, but it'd be nice to know how they did it. Things that I can think of that Monmouth could do is plant more trees, but they can get involved at all levels. For one, there's a sustainability committee on campus, and they can get involved with that. They can get involved with things like the Food Recovery Network to reduce food waste. They can advocate with gourmet dining and with others.
With that all being said, let us go save our planet for a better future for the next generations to come. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something new.